product. We will learn about this thing, dot product. Now before going to it, we must know what is its formula. Formula for dot product. Formula for dot product is given as, if two vectors are given, a vector and b vector, then the dot product of a vector and b vector will be mod a vector mod b vector and cosine of the angle between them. Let the two vector be denoted along this side. It is a vector, it is b vector. The angle between them, let it be theta. So the formula as given here is mod a mod b cos theta. Now let us assume that a vector is equal to axi cap, ayj cap and az k cap, while b vector is given as b vector equals to bxi cap, byj cap and bz k cap. So now mod of a vector will be given by as ax whole square, ay whole square and az whole square. Similarly, mod b vector equal to root under bx whole square, by whole square and bz whole square. So calculating these values and just putting here and here, we will get a magnitude of both a and b and multiplying with it theta. Now you can see that all these things will give you a scalar product. All are scalar product. Why scalar? Because it is a magnitude, it is also a magnitude, and cos of some angle is also a magnitude. There is no vector side here, so it is a scalar product. So dot product is a scalar product. Dot product is a scalar product. Okay. Now we will see the relation of the unit vectors. The unit vectors relation of unit vector I cap, j cap and k cap. We will see their interrelationship. Okay. Now I cap dot I cap equals to j cap dot j cap equals to k cap dot k cap is equals to 1, and the rest combination like I cap dot j cap equal to j cap dot k cap equal to k cap dot I cap equals to 0. All are 0. Why? Now let us check. I cap dot I cap is equals to mod I cap mod j cap into mod I cap into cos of theta. Now what is the value of theta? Theta is 0 degree, because both I cap and I cap represent the positive x-axis direction, so it has angle of 0. Now for a unit vector, magnitude is 1, for this it is also 1, and cos 0 is also 1, so the value is 1. Similarly, I cap dot j cap is equals to mod I cap mod j cap into cos of 90 degree. Why 90? Because I cap represents x axis positive and j cap represents positive y axis. Angle between x and y axis is 90 degrees. So its value is 1 into 0. So it will be a 0. So you can find, similarly we can find all the other relation like this and this. Okay, all other relations will be this. So you got an idea that I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap, and k cap dot k cap is equals to 1. Others are all 0. We have to remember this formula because this is very essential. This is very essential in our following term. Now, how to find the angle between the two vectors? Angle between any two given vectors. We have to find the angle between any two given vectors. How we are going to find them? If theta be the angle between given a vector and b vector, we have cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector by mod a vector mod b vector. So this is the formula you have to remember. Cos theta equals to a vector dot b vector by mod of a vector mod of b vector. So by applying this formula we can easily find out the angle between any two given vectors. Okay, now let us check an example. We are going to check an example. We will check an example. Let a vector is given as I cap 2j cap plus 2k cap and b vector is given as 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. You have to find the angle theta between a and b. So our formula is cos theta equals to a vector dot b vector divided by mod of a vector into mod of b vector. So this is our formula. Now first we calculate a vector dot b vector. We have to write them side by side. I cap 2j cap 2k cap dot 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Remember to direct multiply it. Only the coefficients of the same unit vector are going to be multiplied along with the sign. Coefficient, like I cap has a coefficient of 1, I cap has a coefficient of 1. There is nothing here, so we can write a coefficient of 1 here, and there is nothing here, we can write a coefficient 1 here and also 1 for here. Okay, so just remember to write the product. That is 1 into 2, it will be 2, and both are plus sign, so it will be plus. Now plus 2 into minus 1, that will be minus 2. Now plus 2 into plus 1, that will be plus 2. So the answer will be 2. Now we have to find mod of a. What will be the value of mod a? Only the coefficients square along with their sign. Just write like this: root over of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. As we can see, the coefficient of I cap in a vector is 1, Coefficient of j cap in A vector is 2. Coefficient of k vector in A vector is 2. So we have write this. So 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is root under 9, that will be 3. Since we are taking the mod value, so it will be plus 3. Similarly, let me clear the board. Similarly, so the thing we have got is A dot B vector equal to 2 mod A vector equal to 3. Now mod B vector, the term is mod B vector, that is 2 square. The coefficient of I cap in B vector is 2 plus minus 1 square, that is the coefficient of j cap in B vector is minus 1 and plus 1 square, that is the coefficient of k cap in B vector is plus 1. So what will be its value? 4 plus 1 plus 1, that will be root under 6. Its value will again be positive because we have taken the mod value. So what is the value of theta? Cos theta will be 2 divided by 3 into root 6, that is root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 divided by 3 root 3 into root 2. We can write root 6 as root 3 into root 6. So cancel out these two things, so we will get root 3 by 3 root 3, and the value of theta will be cos inverse root under 2 by 3 root 3. Finding this value in calculator will give you the answer of theta in degree, or you can keep it like this. So this is how we can calculate A dot B vector. This is how we calculate A dot B vector. So that's all for now. We will do more numericals in our next video. Thank you for watching.